Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with hashtag Artisan Journal Prompts 2024, hosted by My Life with Patti. It's getting pretty thick, guys. And this week's prompt was circles. Boom. And what I did is I've been trying to learn mandala. So I bought the kit that came with tools and stencils. So I used some of the stencils, and I needed practice because my goal is by the summer is to get really good at this with the tools so I can make garden stones, and I want to do mandala on some garden stones for my yard and do some on rocks with my grandkids. So due to the fact that it was circles, I got out my circle stencil, the mandala. Had two different types I used, and I went around and did it, and then I just did some circles on this one, and that's my page. It's for week 12 already. It's hard to believe that we're already in the middle of March. And I like the color combo. I think I did pretty good. I think I did pretty good, but I realize looking at some videos and looking at other mandalas, I have to leave more space between my dots. But all over in that, I think it looks good. I like this, how the dots look. Here I got pretty close with dots. I should have spaced some. But I thought it looked pretty cool. Look at it. There. Whoops. I'm having fun doing these prompts. Thank you, Patti, for hosting this and coming up with prompts each week. And please go check out the other ladies as well. So thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.